Morning, folks. I got out here this morning and I wanted to do something a little different. I'm a little different part of the county I live in this morning, and I wanted to bring you out here in the woods because something happening right now that you don't see much or hear much. I don't, not at one spot. This is the loudest I've heard them in several years. But get you down here a little closer. And y'all hear that? I sure hope y'all can hear that. That's the cicadas with the jar flies, we call them. See them here? They're shedding. Here's one of them. He's not out of his shell yet. Let me see if I can get him to move. Yeah, well, he scared me a little bit. Ain't nothing to be afraid of. Like I say, they're stripping their shells off during their thing. And this place is absolutely full of them. I mean, must be a breeding ground or something right here, because they are everywhere. See them? And this one's one, he's alive. And that's their exoskeleton once they shed it. And these trees are absolutely full of them, like I say. Look at here. Look at this leaf. See them all? Look at all these shells. There's one getting ready to come out. But just the sheer noise. I mean, the woods are alive this morning. Like I say, the sheer noise that you hear is them. I mean, sure, there's a little bit of background noise from a road that's back up here this way, and hear some birds are chirping and stuff, but just listen. Ain't that something? One of those things you, like I say, I've heard them a lot before, and they say there's a year of the cicadas or something like that, but this here's about the 20th of May this year, and I'm telling you, these leaves, look at them, they're just, there's one there, and then we'll move over. Look at here, one there, one up there, one right here. Get you adjusted just a little bit. There's one exoskeleton. Look at all them up there. I mean, it's that time of year they're growing and breeding, I guess. There's one. It's just amazing what you can find in the woods when you get out and listen, hear things. There's the exoskeletons from them. Up there, there. I'm telling you what, it's amazing. But anyway, it's just something I wanted to let y'all hear this morning. I thought it was very interesting. Like I say, the woods are alive. But anyhow, look at here. Look at here. Look at all of them. They're just doing their regular thing. Like I say, they're not hurting anybody. They sure are molting off that exoskeleton. I mean, these. All kinds of them here. Anyhow, I'm going to leave you alone today, and hopefully y'all have a good one. I'll catch you later.